nothing but habits.
Hi guys, welcome to our next video from USA trip. We just had our 1.5 hours flight from New York to Buffalo, and right now we are on our way to Niagara Falls. There are several ways how you can get from Buffalo airport to the hotels which are situated on top of the Niagara Falls, and what Google Maps offered us was the bus. I think even with one change, but this trip would last like, I don't know, 2 hours, and we didn't know how much it would cost. And since we arrived in the evening, we didn't want to risk. Of course, we have huge suitcases, so we booked like 1 week before the trip. We booked the car, and even though we booked this car 1 week before our trip, it was still quite affordable. It costed us together with tax, I think around $85 for 2 days. So I think that this price was really attractive, especially because the rental is situated there in the airport, so it's very comfortable. Totally recommend. And right now we are fully excited to see the Niagara Falls. I don't think that we will see them tonight, but I'm sure we will hear them, because the area there is not that big and all the hotels are actually in a high proximity to each other. So I'm sure that we will also hear a little bit of Niagara Falls tonight. We have now with the car just 25 minutes trip from the airport to our hotel, so I will show you later when we will arrive there.
Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me, all I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go from here?
We already entered our room. It's uncomparable with the previous hotel in New York. Even though the price is the same or even cheaper, but it's Hilton and it's exactly on Niagara Falls. The location we will show you tomorrow, because right now it's already night. It's like 3 times bigger than our previous hotel. So if you would like to travel to Niagara Falls, I definitely recommend you this hotel, because from the price, look at this. From the price, it's quite affordable, and quality, I don't know, you cannot complain about anything here. Good morning guys from Niagara Falls. We had a very good sleep and already had a breakfast. Concerning the breakfast in this hotel, we must say that it's quite good. You need to expect that there are 2 different breakfasts, continental and the full one, if you want also omelette, sausages and French toast. Do you remember yesterday I told you that there should be a beautiful view from our window? So here it is. In the daylight you can see the river there behind. These yellow buses, these are the transfers. I must say that we paid extra $10 or $15 to have the river view from our room, and of course in the advertisement the room was much higher and the view was much better. But it's still better to see this view as to see a parking lot probably. This is the company which will take us to the beautiful views of Niagara Falls. It's called Maid of the Mist, and this is the big ferry. It will be the trip around 20 minutes, and it costed per person around $20. So we are now walking from our hotel to the Niagara Falls. This should be, according to Google Maps, around 15 minutes walk. There is also a transfer. The hotel offers a transfer, but it's not for free. I don't know exactly how much does it cost, but literally it's 15 minutes walk. After New York, where we were walking every day 7 days, from the early morning till the evening, I think these 15 minutes we can survive and also save some money. the Maid of Mist. Guys, it's amazing. It's undescribable. We brought with us such beautiful raincoats, which we bought in New York in M&M's store, and it made our day even more funny than it was. Again, guys, I must say we made a correct decision when we booked our hotel just for one day, so 2 nights. We arrived yesterday night, slept once, then we have the whole day today in the Niagara Falls, and we are sleeping again, and in the morning we are leaving already to the next city. So why is it a correct decision? Unfortunately, there is not that much things to do in the city, apart from waterfalls, of course. And till the afternoon we already saw the waterfalls, we did all the possible tours. That's why we were thinking, okay, what should we do the rest of the day? So we went to the hotel. Thanks God, our hotel has spa area and also the swimming pool, so we chilled a little bit there. And right now we came to the Hyde Park. This is the big green area in the Niagara Falls city, and it has lake, it has the big park, it has also the golf club. So this is just such a big green spot in the city. The city itself, I must say, surprised us because it's quite small and just simple, cozy, quiet, feels like home. Such a beautiful houses, typical American style. There are private houses, not the apartments, so it really looks like in movies. There are a lot of parking lots, the big parking lots where just 2 cars are staying, you know, it's completely empty, even though today's Friday, and we are quite surprised. The area close to the waterfalls is full with tourists, and inside of the city there is nobody. So we are enjoying this quietness and nature. We are having here some snacks from McDonald's. Here is some flurry and cheeseburger. And this is a very beautiful blanket which we received in M&M's store in New York, and we are using it today for the first time. I think it was destiny that we received this blanket because it brings us right now a lot of joy. So yeah, this is this cute blanket, us, and the nature of Niagara Falls.
Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me, all I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go from here?
So after the park and the relaxation, we became a little bit hungry and we found a very cute Italian restaurant. I think it's the main street of Niagara Falls city, can be. So this is how it looks like from the restaurant. This is a sign, Little Italy, and we are sitting in the restaurant. It's called Michael's. So Gary took half of lasagna. This is the half portion. Be careful, guys, when you order in USA. Yeah, it's important to say that in the US all the portions and all the foods are big. So in the beginning we were used to European standards, so we ordered, each of us, first couple of days in New York, we ordered the full plates, but at the end we decided, okay, let's share. Let's start sharing because it's impossible to eat everything. Right now we are sharing, and this is a very cool experience. Gary is enjoying his lasagna, and we are waiting also for a portion of wings. So while I was talking, the chicken wings arrived. It's important to mention that in Buffalo there are several typical dishes, and one of them are chicken wings. We ordered with barbecue sauce, so let's see and try them. This is actually also the single portion, guys, just for your notice. And now hello from the supermarket. The chicken wings were very tasty. Really, it's worth it, guys. If you would be here in the area of Buffalo, please try it, because my personal recommendation. It was much more tasty than KFC, for example. And right now we are in supermarket. We wanted to buy some beers to relax today in the hotel, because tomorrow we are already leaving. There is anyway not that much other things to do in Niagara Falls, so that's why we're shopping a little bit and we'll relax. Hey guys, so we had a good rest after yesterday, and right now we're heading to the airport. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to summarize our trip to Buffalo, to Niagara Falls, and to give you some advices about it. So the main advice from our side would be travel for one day. You can arrive the same as us in the evening, so you would have the whole day the next day to get to know the Niagara Falls city and the falls themselves. Honestly, there are no other significant touristic attractions in the city. That's why if you're having the big trip like we do and you have not that much time, one day would be enough for the city. About the place to eat, we recommend you the restaurant Michael's. That's honestly the only place where we ate and what we can advise, but definitely it left very good impression, and also it's kind of a way to feel the America from inside, like real America, not like in New York where you're surrounded by different cultures and different languages and different nationalities. In this city it was literally American style, American people, American food, so we loved it a lot and we would recommend to go there. Concerning the waterfalls itself, I must say it is definitely worth it to have such a short trip to Niagara Falls, because this is so impressive and beautiful, and I think personally that everybody must see it at least once in life. I would recommend this boat trip definitely, because from above you can enjoy the beautiful landscape and the beautiful view to another side, to Canada and to the waterfalls themselves, but you cannot see the waterfalls that well as you do from the boat. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. We hope that you enjoyed our short trip to Niagara Falls, and we hope that we gave you some inspiration to visit it yourself. Thank you so much again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!